Welcome to Swathi Vlogs. Today we are cooking rich gourd fry. Come, let's get started. Grab a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoons of mustard seeds. Now add 3 dried red chilies. Now add a few curry leaves. Now add 1 cut small onion and sauté. Let it cook for a while. While onions are cooked partially, add 2 garlic cloves. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it well. Once the onions are cooked well, add diced rich gourd pieces and sauté. Now add salt as per taste. Let it cook until the rich gourd gets soft. After 5 minutes, check if the rich gourd is cooked well. Once it's cooked well, add half a tablespoon of chili powder and sauté it well. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of ground nut powder and mix it well. Now the rich gourd is ready. A healthy and very easy to cook dish is ready to be served. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Thank you for watching.